Hello students, Ms. Slyman here, talking to you about expected value. So expected value is here on our syllabus, and expected value is it's what you expect to get. So let's look at this as an example. So we've got 5 marbles in a bag. The marbles are labeled A, B, C, D, E. 1 is drawn and put back. So the probability that we get an A is, of course, 1 out of 5. So if we perform this experiment 50 times, how often would we expect to get A? Well, every 5 times we'd expect to get 1 A. So in 50, we would expect 1/5 of those 50 to be A's, so we would expect 10 A's. So we'd expect 10 A's, 10 B's, 10 C's, 10 D's, 10 E's. Yeah. Would you get the number of A's every time we perform the experiment? Well, we've seen that with our dice, and we would not get the same number every time because experimental values and theoretical values don't always match up. But if we perform the experiment many times, so we drew 50 marbles 10 times, that's a total of 500 marbles, we'd expect 1/5 of those 500 experiments, so we'd expect 100 A's to come out. And the more experiments we do, the more likely our theoretical and experimental will match. So here we would say no, theory and experimental do not always match. In fact, they rarely match. Do not always match. But the more experiments we will perform, the more likely we are.